Welcome to TL Store, helping you make bricks, one brick at a time. We're using river sand and cement in a simple, effective ratio. 1 bag of cement to 4 wheelbarrows of river sand. The secret is balance, not too wet, not too dry. When you squeeze it, it should hold together perfectly without dripping water. This mix gives your blocks a solid finish and prevents cracks later during curing.
One brick at a time.
Next, it's time to use the stamper to compress the mix. Press down firmly and evenly until the block is fully compacted. This step is what gives your hollow block its strength, shape, and long-lasting durability. Once compression is done, carefully lift the machine off the mold to release your finished hollow block. The TL Store one-drop mold makes brick production quick, simple, and efficient, ideal for both small and medium-scale projects. TL Store, helping you make bricks, one brick at a time.